Hi guys, it's finished. I've actually got it all done. Took around about 8 days to do, and she looks pretty cool. I've been posting photos on Facebook and stuff, showing the progress. I've put some photos in this video actually to show you progress of the truck. It's a Chevrolet Blazer K5 and it's all done. I mean, I've been the biggest part on this job, the paint job. It was 16 coats I think it was altogether, and then 8 coats of lacquer. I'm leaving all the accessories this colour because I do like this colour. I think it's pretty cool. So let's turn her on. Let's see if she works. So have you noticed I've got a sound box in there? Okay, really, sounds really cool. So that's the front part, back. These are quite difficult to do, the body pins, body posts, sorry. So yeah, it's all done. Let's just start her up again. One more time, let's turn her on because this is so sick, I love it. Thanks for watching, please be safe and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.